Yeah, today's the day. We're doing the iron butt. So this is my first gas station. Gonna fuel up, get all the tags ready. We need a receipt at each gas station. Put my tracking system on. So I did bring a Ziploc bag, I hope. Yep, I did. So here we go. Oh, I don't need that. Just got to make sure I get a receipt at every gas station. Select fuel and make sure I get a receipt. I didn't let the bike warm up that much this morning because it is kind of loud and don't need to drive my neighbor's nuts. Print receipt. Please print. Oh, beautiful. So today the date 3:55 a.m. Oh, okay, perfect. I gotta take a picture of it. What the rules say with your odometer. Okay, come on. Okay. So I'm going to put this one as my start. Let's not lose these because I do have to hand them in. Good. I unlocked my phone so I don't have to worry about it. Let's zero out my kilometers. Good. 00. Oh, let's be more visible on the highway too. Oh, there we go. Put this app on. I can start tracking. And let's send a text to the people that I have on there. There we go. Now they can start tracking me. Not going to turn on my cardo yet. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Oh, there we go, boys. This is the start of my ride. Hours I should be in Quebec, and there's my turnaround point, and head back home. All I heard is Highway 420. When we get to Montreal, we might get into some traffic, but we'll see when we get there. They said it's a lineup of 18-wheelers, so we'll have to take it time by time. Port Hope, I think it was called. It's one of the gas stations en route. So we'll go there, fuel up, because this bike is not going to do over 200 kilometers on a tank of gas. So yeah, we got a bunch of stops today. So I'll catch you guys all later. Not going to bore you with all this highway driving. Hopefully this highway is going to be like this, half empty. Oh, it's a little chilly today. It's like 18 Celsius. So I should have put the liner in the jacket, but I didn't. Oh well, we'll suffer for a little bit. I'd rather have cold than too much heat. But that just zaps all your energy. Like last week I wanted to do it, but it was way too hot. It was like in the high 40s Celsius, so I said nope, I'll pick another date. So far we're looking at no rain today, nowhere here, and not even in Montreal, so we got lucky. I brought enough batteries today. Oh, I should run out. Let's get on the express lane. Did toll roads that would cut me some kilometers, but we need to do 1600. All right, boys, I'll catch you at the first gas station. There we go. We're at our first gas stop. I'll take number 8. Oh, so far so good. I'm feeling fine. Oh, my keychain is stuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's hopefully we get a receipt. I don't have to go inside. And then we'll get our next destination in there. Oh wow, gas is cheaper here than it was in Toronto. Or I should say in Vaughan. Oh, no, thank you. Not donating. If I do donate, it's... I want a receipt that I donated. Yep, and I want to print a receipt. Come on, little more. There we go. That stopped right up. Oh, I splashed a little bit. Alrighty. Extends down, good. Alright, next receipt. Oh, everything bounced around in here. Okay, this is receipt 2. Oh, I can see the date. Good enough. Sorry, this is receipt 1. And I have how many kilometers? 10480. And I gotta take a picture. A lot of stuff to do. Camera. Oh, it's a little choppy, but looks... There we go. Go now. Well, this takes the most time. Getting all this shit organized. Oh. Well, the sun's coming up. That's good. Fucking getting dark out there. Can't see shit. And go now. Come on. We'll see you guys all at the next gas station. Oh, look at that, boys. Sunrise. Nice and red. Look at those clouds. Or whatever you want to call it. The sunrise is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, finally, we got to see the road. This is dark up here. There's no lights, so... Yeah, we've been averaging about 120, so we're doing pretty good. I'll get you guys at 113 more kilometers for my next stop. My third stop. How many kilometers have we done so far? We've done 265k. Wow. He actually doesn't know kilometers. Oh, fuck me. Did I get off the wrong exit? No. Oh, no. It's here. Oh, Starbucks. Alrighty. Oh, we've done. Okay, perfect. Oh. Stretch a little bit. Oh. Should open the gas tank first. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Beautiful. Oh. No, thank you. Stop asking me for donations. I'm not donating to nobody. Yes. Yeah, I wish I had a bigger gas tank. I would have to do less stops, but it is what it is. There we go. Yes, I want a receipt. I need a receipt. Printer out of order. No, I gotta go inside. That's what I always hated. Number 8. Oh. Hey, buddy. Can I get a receipt, please? For number 8? How much? Number 8 Supreme? Yeah. Thank you, buddy. Got a receipt. That's what I always worry. It wastes his time. Oh, guy's filling up his boat. He's gonna go have some fun. Oh, that was good. Nice little walk. Ding. Okay. We got 1 0 6 3 1. Jesus, can't. 3 1. Need to take a picture, and then I'll go washroom. Where's the date and times up there? Perfect. Oh, it's on camera too. Okay. Put that there. This is number 3, I think. Oh, close that. Alrighty. I'm gonna go pee first. Before I hit back on the highway. Then I got all those trucks to pass again. Fuck. Today, hopefully no rain. Yeah, that's what happens when you get close to Montreal. Oh fuck, I shouldn't say that. I'm nowhere near it. I'm almost in Kingston. Oh well, if it rains, it rains. I got my ring here, so I'm all set. It is chilly today. So far the highway's been pretty good. We got some trucks rubbernecking. Be trying to pass doing 100, passing another car doing 100. So that sucks. But I've been lucky. I can weave through them. Oh well, I'll catch you guys later. I won't be filming all this boring highway. There we go, eastbound to Cornwall. Yeah, let's not too crazy fast. So all I need is a ticket, and that'll ruin the whole day. Oh, there's a casino. Check that out. Yeah, it's still a little overcast. Hopefully no rain. Alright boys, catch you later. Oh, truck broke down. Sucks to be him. Could have probably made it to the next one, but not pushing it. Yeah, that's all I need is to run out of gas. We've been doing pump number 8. Yeah, we're at next one. I'm gonna take a little break here. Fill up. I could have probably stretched it to the next one, but never know. I would have been close to the 200K. Unable to read card. What do you mean, cart? There we go. Stop asking me for donations. Oh. Okay. Oh, wow. It's even cheaper up here than the last place. I won't need that much gas. Take a little break here. I've been hauling ass, so... Oh! Walk. Oh, I got a spillage. Okay. Where's the date and time? Oh, great. This receipt doesn't have it. Oh, there's the date. No, there's no date. Oh, there it is. Fuck. Blind. I think this is receipt number 4. Alright, put in the keys. What did we do? 10708. No, get the phone, picture, fuck, lots of shit to do. Bring that down. Where's the date and time? Yeah, you can see it. All right. Gonna pull over. This is receipt number 4, I think. 3. It should be 4. Alrighty. Just keep the gloves in here. Alright. Oh, that's not nice. Yes, sir. Cornwall downtown. Oh, how many kilometers have we done so far? We've done 448. Another 340 to go. Then we get to a turnaround point. Maybe see if I'm even recording. Oh, let me pass this truck first. sarà perché ti amo, guardate il ritmo, se il vicino, vera, sarà perché ti amo, dite vera. Sarà perché ti amo. Maybe I'd change battery. Now we're recording good. Oh, I think this is stop number 7. Oh, it's all in French. No thanks. That's so. Oh, one moment, please. Come on. I think this is stop number 7. Let's get the pan out. Put the key back in. How many kilometers did we do so far? So this is 10858. Oh, I don't know which receipt number this is anymore. I lost count. That's 4. Who knows? Who cares? Oh, now so far I feel better, good. So far so good. Somewhere out that way. This way. Oh, should have cleaned my visor. Oh, ahead. I mean, stop. Yeah, there's no cars coming. That's where I can, because there's far in between. We're just outside Montreal right now. Alright boys, we'll catch you guys all later. This area here will be the speed limit. There's police out here. Nobody's speeding, holy shit. I forgot to turn off my music. Oh, nice bridge, nice river. Whatever. Oh, I'm crossing some huge bridge. Okay. Yes, I need a receipt. Now, beautiful. Another receipt. So far, only one screw up. Let's get the pen out. Marker, good enough. We have 1,100.09 611. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Oh, S right there. Weather's nice. Well, not extremely hot. $84K. We're at a destination. I passed before. Now I gotta pass them again. 0.1 kilometers. And I'm at my turnaround spot. This is Laval. That's up ahead is Quebec City. St. George, Maine, USA. Very nice. We'll take the long way around. Wow, look at this bridge. Lucky I went the wrong way. Look at the steel one across. Fuck, this is nice. I got exit here. We get to do the bridge again. Nice bridge hold. I think it's the longest bridge I've been on. Yeah, the Burlington one won't be this long. happens. GPS failed.
Someone with a 289 area code sent a long message. If you want to hear it, ask me to read it.
No. S. Yep, that's where I have to go. No, we don't want nothing red. Oh, look at a nice little river down there. That's where I was supposed to go, 20 east. But I wanted to see the bridge. Oh well, we added a few more kilometers to the right. Yeah, we made it. 800. Oh, 810 it should be. I did about 820 now because we went the wrong way. That won't count. Ah, good enough. There'll be a little bit of detours. Guys, get more expensive. Irving. Oh, he is $1.99, $2. Oh, really? There is no shade around here. Oh, I want receipt. Yes. Yes, I would like a receipt. Please print. Okay, got a receipt. Well, they couldn't make it any smaller, the writing. Figure out what number this is. Oh, it's my turnaround. Doop. So this is 1,195. Oh, say 11,000. Oh, gotta take a picture. Get rid of that. Don't need. Oh, date and time is right there. Perfect. Ciao amici, hope you can hear me. This is my turnaround point. It is 800. What the kilometers? I'm gonna do 820 back. Hopefully GPS doesn't fail this time. If it does, well.
half steak. Yesterday, nice and fresh.